Good morning, students. Let us read chapter 2 of our book Meri Delhi. The name of the chapter is Delhi a long time ago. क्या बच्चों मेरे साथ बोलेंगे दिल्ली a long time ago. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Today, the kind of Delhi you live in was not the same as in the past. In olden times, Delhi was very different from today. Delhi is an old city. Not a few hundreds, but thousands of years old. Just imagine what Delhi would have looked like a few thousand years ago. At that time, it was not like it is today. Only trees, plants, animals, birds, and some human beings were seen in Delhi. Most of the people lived on the bank of Yamuna River, because Yamuna River was very wide. There were hills and forests in Delhi. Inhabitants of Delhi didn't live in mansions and high buildings at that time. There was no crowd like today, and people had no knowledge of constructing the houses. बच्चों एक पिक्चर दी गई है एंशियंट पुरानी पिक्चर है काफ़ी. कहाँ की? राजीव चौक की. आप आज के समय का राजीव चौक देखें, वहाँ पर आपको मेट्रो, पार्क और मार्केट जैसी चीज़ें नज़र आएंगी. लेकिन पुराने समय में ऐसा नहीं था. Let us continue. People had no knowledge of constructing the houses with concrete, how they would level the land, and how they would sow the seeds. In ancient times, the people ate plants and fruits or hunted the animals for food. खाने के लिए पौधे, फल या जानवर का शिकार किया करते थे. As the time passed, more people migrated here. It was named Delhi. Some say its name was Delhi in place of Delhi. But how it got its name, Delhi, nobody can tell exactly. Do you know it's an ancient fact? Students, have you watched Mahabharat on television? Indraprasth was described. Indraprasth was described in that serial. Do you think it is today's Delhi? Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan made Rai Pithora Fort. There is a legend that says that a nail goes to hell till the nail stays, the dynasty will stand. But when the nail become loose, Delhi and Delhi became Delhi. Ask senior citizens about ancient Delhi. Muhammad Ghori attacked Delhi during Prithviraj Chauhan's reign. Prithviraj defeated Muhammad Ghori many times. At the end, Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. After that, Muhammad Ghori ruled Delhi. Watch Prithviraj Chauhan serial for more information. Muhammad Ghori was defeated by Kutubuddin Aibak. Khilji constructed Siri Fort. Ghayasuddin Tughlaq made Tughlaqabad. After Tughlaq, Sayyid and Lodi dynasty came. Mughal dynasty, and before independence, British ruled over इंडिया. कौन कौन सी डायनेस्टी आई बच्चों? तुगलक, सैयद एंड लोधी, एंड देन मुगल, एंड देन ब्रिटिश. From ancient times, Delhi is known as a famous and historical city. New Delhi has been the capital of India since a long time. In the next chapter, you will know many interesting things about the famous places and the people of Delhi. बच्चों, अब आपसे संबंधित कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आपको करनी है. यहाँ पर हमारा चैप्टर ख़त्म होता है. Which is the oldest thing in your house? Find out the story of that thing by consulting the elders of your family. Imagine you are roaming in होता है बच्चों घूमना. In the Delhi of thousands of years ago, what one the thing that you will not see which you see today? उदाहरण जैसे मेट्रो. क्या बच्चों हजारों सालों पहले मेट्रो थी? सोचो. Third question, imagine that you are standing facing the sun. What will be the directions? Towards the sun, behind your back, towards your left hand, towards your right hand. बच्चों सूरज की तरफ, तुम्हारी पीछे, तुम्हारे लेफ्ट में और तुम्हारे राइट में. जल्दी से कमेंट में मुझे इन सभी सवालों के जवाब बताओ. मिलते हैं बच्चों नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.